If you want a custom YouTube video player for your WordPress website, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to build a YouTube feed that fits your brand, complete with layout options, video filters, comment displays, a custom call to action button, and even a Lightbox video player. All of this in one fast and responsive feed embedded on your WordPress website in a few simple steps. Let's get started. To do this, we'll be using the Smashballoon YouTube Feed Pro plugin. I'll be demonstrating using the Pro version of the plugin, but you can check out the free version with less features through the WordPress repository. To get started, head over to smashballoon.com and purchase YouTube Feed Pro. Once purchased, install and activate it on your WordPress site. For this video, I've already got it installed ahead of time, and you can see it over here. To create our YouTube feed, click on All Feeds, and at the top, click Add New. For the first step of creating our feed, we'll have to select the feed type. The plugin offers 5 different options, such as displaying videos from any YouTube channel, videos from any YouTube playlist, videos that match a specific search criteria, live streams, and even single videos. For this tutorial, let's continue with the channel feed type, which is already selected for us. So let's click Next. You'll then get this pop-up here asking you to enter a YouTube API key. I've already got mine ready, but if you want to learn how to create one for yourself, you can click on the video tutorial on the top right corner of your screen. Once you have your API key, click this button, enter your API key, and click Add. For the next step, we'll have to enter the channel details for the channel we want to fetch our videos from. You have a few different options with this, such as entering a YouTube channel handle, channel ID, username, or connecting manually. Let's go and enter the channel handle for the Smashballoon YouTube channel, like this, and click Next. For the last step of creating our YouTube feed, we'll have to select a template for the layout and design of our feed. We have options like the default, carousel, cards, list, and more. Let's go with the cards template. After selecting it, click Next. Just like that, we have a live preview of our brand new YouTube feed inside the plugin. You can see the latest videos from the Smashballoon YouTube channel here. Each video features the thumbnail, title of the video, the channel name, when the video was published, and if you hover over the thumbnail, you can see a preview of the description for the video too. Right now, our YouTube feed is ready to be embedded on our WordPress webpage. But because you're looking to create a custom YouTube feed, let me show you some more options to really make it your own. On the left-hand side, under the Customize tab, click on Feed Layout. Here you can customize the layout of your YouTube feed. At the top, you can choose from different layout options, such as the grid, which you can see right now. This one features your videos in rows and columns. Next, we have the gallery. This one has a video player at the top of the feed, followed by all the videos underneath. When a video is clicked, it will start playing at the top here. Next, we have the list layout. This one displays your videos in a single column list. And last but not least, we have the carousel, which allows you to swipe through the videos inside your feed like this. Let's continue with the grid layout, and if we scroll down, you can choose the number of columns you want to display inside the feed as well. Currently, we're displaying 3, and if you want to modify it, just type in the number of columns you want to display. For instance, let's go with 2. Instantly, our YouTube feed updates to display 2 columns instead of 3. But for now, I'm going to set that back to 3, and looking underneath that, you can also choose how many videos you want to display inside the feed initially. And currently, you can see that we have 9 in the feed. Once again, to modify it, all you have to do is type in the number of videos you want to display. Let's go with 3, and our YouTube feed instantly updates to display 3 videos instead of 9. Let's change that back to 9, and if you make any changes, don't forget to click Save on the top right corner. Next, if you want to modify the different elements that appear with each video on your feed, under the Customize tab, let's go into Videos. Inside this menu, we can go into Edit Individual Elements. Here you can see a list of all the different elements we see inside each video, such as the play icon, video title, username, and more. You can choose the exact ones you want to display or hide inside your feed. To hide an element, all you have to do is deselect it, just like this. You can see now that the play icons have disappeared from the YouTube thumbnails. And if you want to bring it back, just reselect it and it pops right back. You can do the same thing with any of the other elements we see inside this list. By deselecting video title, it's removed all the video titles from our feed as well. I'm going to bring that back, but it's totally up to you how you want to customize this. And if you make any changes, click Save on the top right corner. And while we're in the Videos menu, let's head back, and if we go down into Video Player Experience, you can customize how your site visitors will watch YouTube videos inside your feed. You can modify the player size ratio from 9:16 or 3:4. You can see a preview of that here as well. I'm going to change that back to 9:16. And when someone clicks on a video, you can tell the feed what you want it to do. The video can start playing automatically, or the video can be played when clicked. This means that they would have to click the play button after opening up the video. Next, you can also enable comments inside your feed. Once enabled, you can also choose how many comments you want to display. So inside this preview here, this is what it would look like. Up to 20 comments for that video will be displayed under the video player inside the feed. And if you want to disable comments, you can simply toggle it off here, right? But for now, I'm going to leave that on. And scrolling down, you can also customize the different elements we see here, such as the channel name, subscriber count, the subscribe button, and so on. And last but not least, at the bottom, this is where you can enter a custom call to action for your videos. Let's click on this, and by default, it's set to related videos. And this is where you can modify what a user sees when they pause or complete watching a video. By default, it's set to related videos, so when your video completes, it will show videos related to it. But if we open this up, you have 3 different options. You can set a custom link, or you can even keep it on the YouTube default. If we go into custom link, you can customize the end screen to suit your exact needs. You can type in the button text. So right now it says load more, but you can type in anything else, such as watch more, or even shop now. If it's linking to a product, I'm just going to keep it on learn more. Next, you can customize the button background, the button text color. So for instance, let's go into here, and let's say we go with the red button, and we can keep this on white. You can also customize how you want that link to open, whether it's in the same window or a new window. Let's select new window, and underneath that, this is where you can enter the custom link. For this demonstration, let's just type in the Smashballoon website here. So we can now click on Save Changes. Next, let me show you how we can customize the header at the top of the feed. Under the Customize tab once again, let's go into Header. Currently, we have the text header style enabled. This is just a simple text header that you can customize down below. You can type in anything you want, such as our latest videos, like this. You can modify the size and the color as well. Alternatively, you can go with the standard header style, which features the channel profile picture, name, number of subscribers, and the channel bio as well. And if you want to hide any of these elements, you can choose to do so by toggling them off here. Okay, so it's totally up to you. And if you make any changes, click Save on the top right corner. If you scroll down to the bottom of your feed, you'll find 2 buttons here, one that says Load More and a Subscribe button. These are customizable too. Inside the Customize tab once again, right at the bottom, you can customize these 2 buttons. For this demonstration, let's go with the Load More button. You can choose to enable or disable it. You can customize the text and the button colors too. To modify it, you can just click here and select the exact color you want for the button. Once you've found a color you're happy with, just click Save on the top right corner. And lastly, if you want to moderate and choose the exact videos you want to display inside your feed, go into the Settings tab and click on Filters and Moderation. Inside the first box, you can enter words or hashtags here, and your YouTube feed will only show videos containing those words. Inversely, with the second box, if you enter a word or hashtag here, your YouTube feed will hide any videos containing those words. And if you have a specific video you want to hide, you can enter that video ID down at the bottom manually. With these filtering options, you have complete control over the exact videos you display inside your feed. And once again, if you make any changes, click Save on the top right corner. Alright, now that you know how to create and customize your YouTube feed, let me show you how we can embed it on WordPress. Just click on Embed on the top right corner, copy your dedicated shortcode, then click on Add to a page. Next, select the page you want to embed your feed to, and click Add. Now on our WordPress web page, we have 2 different options to embed our feed. The first option is to use a shortcode block and paste the shortcode that we copied earlier like this. Alternatively, if you're using Block Editor, you can use our dedicated Feeds for YouTube block. When using this option, you'll see a live preview of your YouTube feed inside your WordPress webpage. We can now click on Save or Publish and check out what it looks like on the live website. And here we are now on our live WordPress webpage. Right in the middle is our brand new custom YouTube feed. The feed features a header at the top with the channel details and bio, followed by the latest videos from our channel and a grid template. If a site visitor wants to watch one of these videos, they can click on it like this, and that video will start playing automatically right on your WordPress website inside this lightbox. And once paused, you can see that custom call to action that we created. It's the Learn More button, and if I click on it, that should take us to, you guessed it, the Smashballoon website, which is the custom URL that we entered. If we scroll down, you can see the video title, the number of views, when it was published, and a preview of the description too. You can click this button here to expand it and view the full description directly inside the lightbox too. On the right hand side, you'll also find the channel details and a subscribe button. Once clicked, that takes us directly to our YouTube channel with a pop-up here asking us if we'd like to subscribe. This makes it super easy to convert your site visitors into YouTube subscribers. Now if I close the description, underneath it, you can also see all the comments available on that video. This video doesn't have any comments, but here's an example from another video. So all the comments from that video will be displayed here up to the maximum that we entered. You can see the author of the comment, when that comment was made, and of course the comment text. And if it has any replies, you'll also see that here. You can click to expand it and view the reply directly. And if you want to check out all the comments, you also have this button here that says view all the comments on YouTube. Let me close this video. And right at the bottom of the feed, we also have a Load More and Subscribe button. You'll notice that the Load More button is displayed in the exact color that we chose. If a site visitor clicks on this, that will load additional YouTube videos directly inside your feed, straight on your WordPress website. So there you have it. That's how we can easily create a custom YouTube feed like this for your WordPress website. If you have any questions about what I covered in this video, please let me know in the comments below. If you have any issues, please contact our awesome support team and they'd be happy to help you out. Please consider subscribing to our channel for social media marketing tips to help you grow your business. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.